I was studying at high school in Addis Ababa. Then one day we were chased out of school by the government and imprisoned for 3 years.
20-year-old Falimatu is the only woman in this unit. Falimatu has called the bush home for 3 years now. She has not seen members of her family, and she claims 13 of her former schoolmates are languishing in jail in Addis Ababa.
When I decided to leave my family, it was a final decision. What I miss most are my fellow students serving in prison. That's why I'm here in the bush to fight for them to be free one day. I miss them. Nobody doesn't wish to have a good family, a husband and children. But the situation in Ethiopia does not allow much to enjoy. You're talking...
OLF rebels claim 10% of their ranks are female fighters. But in this unit, we only saw one woman, Falimatu, who has chosen the armed rebellion over normal family life.
Nobody doesn't wish to have a good family, a husband and children. But the situation in Ethiopia does not allow much to enjoy. You're talking about family. I don't even have the right to...
Goes around the camp to ensure that all the rebels are up and ready for the day. Each of the rebels is assigned duties for the day, and time management is strictly observed. For hours on, the rebels will be grilled by the trainer on these grounds, marching to perfection. Any form of misconduct would lead to severe punishment. But it is not always training or fighting in the rebel camp. Kajela is a rebel clown whose duty is to ensure the spirits of the fighters far away from home are high at all times. Dancing around a bonfire and singing war songs would normally end the day for these rebels. According to these rebels, 10 to 20 of their fighters are killed every month. The ragtag fighters are up against an Ethiopian army that is considered one of Africa's largest and most efficient.